Let's make the most amazing sweet and sour chicken. Cut your chicken into cubes and place in a bowl where you will marinate them from. For the spices of marination, I used chicken masala, paprika, salt, garam masala, soy sauce, ginger, garlic and turmeric paste and oil. But you can use whatever you have. You don't necessarily have to use what I have. Then store the marinated chicken in the fridge for 1 hour, 30 minutes. For better result, store it overnight. As our chicken gets to marinate well in the fridge, if you've done that the previous day, let's make the sweet and sour sauce. Go in with your vinegar, sugar, ketchup, then honey. You can replace the sugar with honey or vice versa. Coat the marinated chicken with cornflour or all-purpose flour. Then deep fry those coated chicken pieces in hot oil till golden brown. Then this is where the magic happens. In a hot oil, add in garlic and ginger paste, followed by your onions, and stir well till golden brown. Go in with your colored capsicums to the onions and ginger and garlic paste, then stir in well to incorporate and infuse the flavors. We want our food to have a crunchy taste, so we're not gonna let the capsicum cook. So add in your chicken and then stir in well to mix them up. Remember that sweet and sour sauce we made? It's now time to pour it into this mixture and then stir in well so that each chicken and everything is well coated with the sauce. For the sour and tangy taste, we're gonna add a ripe pineapple to the mixture to bring out the sour taste to our chicken. And with that, we are done. Thank you for watching. For any meal prep services, catering services, snack packages, reach out to me. Bye bye.